Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal, I'm from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, and happy Holi to you all because it's Holi time. It's a Hindu festival, and may this Holi bring some happiness, health, wealth and prosperity in your life, and may this Holi you are able to achieve your goal. And as you all are well known, like I have taken a 100-day challenge for myself where I'm going to create videos blog in spoken English till 100 days. And today is the 56th day of that particular challenge. And as I have already started storytelling on my YouTube channel or these blogs, so today also I'm continuous on that. Today also I'm trying to narrate a story, and definitely this story is having a deep message for you all. If you are all also able to apply these things in your life, then you are also able to be or create a different personality of yourself. So once upon a time there was a young crow living in the forest, and he is very energetic and healthy and strong, but he hate for weight. Like if he saw something, then he just want that thing instantly. He hating for weight. One day he saw one of the seeds that farmer put on the soil because it's trying to feed the seed, and the crow saw that seeds, and he think like I need to go and just take that seeds from there. He didn't show about the farmer, where is farmer, is anyone is there or not. He just landed on that field, and he tried to pick up the that seed. Farmer see the crow picking up or taking up the seeds from his feed, and he just take one stick and throw on the crow. Crow ran away from there, and unfortunately he is able to make himself safe, but he ran away from there without taking the seeds from there, and he regret a lot that day, and he is starving due to hunger, but he's not able to arrange any food for himself. And the next day he saw a piece of bread floating on the water, and he just landed in the water, and his wings get heavier with with, with the water, and he started suffering. He's not able to fly. He gives so many efforts, and after so many efforts he is able to get out from that water, and he sat on the rock, and he just watching, and there was a heron was there, and if you are not able to get understand what is means of the heron, so in Hindi we can say heron means bakula. So there was a heron who watching that piece of bread, and he stayed calm. He just waiting if that piece of bread comes in the corner of that ponds or water point, then he just going to pick up that piece of bread without any effort. So after a long wait, he is able to get that piece of bread in the corner of that water point, and he easily pick up that bread, and he enjoyed a lot eating that bread. And then the crow is not able to get food, and is suffering a lot with hunger, but he's not having anything, or his plans is also not working. And one day in that forest, he gets a mango tree. There are so many mangoes are there on that tree, but that mangoes are still hard, and not able to eat, and their taste is also bitter. He tried to eat that mangoes, but he not able to eat that mango because these mangoes are bitter and hard also. So he started sitting there, just sitting there. Many more sunrises and sunset passed, and just sitting on that mango tree and just waiting for the right time come when the mangoes are going to become sweet. And he just keep waiting. So after some certain amount of time, that mangoes change into the soft and very sweet. Then that mango started smelling good. Then that crow tried to eat that mango. He tried. These mangoes are very tasty and very sweet. So there are so many little birds are also there who just started asking with crow how you are able to change your personality. So he said, I learned so many things in order to change my personality, and if you are able to gain something big in your life, then you must need to wait for it. So that's it for today, and I hope you all are also able to resonate with this story, and you all are able to learn something from this story. And if you are feeling my content is really helpful for you all, then please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with your friends and family. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead, and good evening.